I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Land Rover Freelander. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on, but go to the actual unit and then click the telephone button. No paired phone, would you like to pair? So click yes, the rotary, no is exit. So yes, ensure Bluetooth in the phone is on and visible. Well, it is, so we'll click OK. So it's searching now. So say it's best to do it in Land Rovers, for some reason it's best to do it from the audio unit and not as it's showing up here, my car. I think it's with the updates, the constant updates from Apple, but it's picked my phone up there. So we'll click select, enter the following pin into the phone, 5111. So it's generated a random pin code. So there we go, 5111. Do you want to allow your contacts and favourites to sync? Allow. That's it, connected there. That's done. It's just taking a little time to synchronise everything on there. So that's that.